Today we're going to learn how to factor a polynomial using algebra tiles. Before we move on to factoring, we must understand the concept of area. There are three sized algebra tiles. There's the larger square, who has dimensions x by x. There's the smaller square that has the dimensions of 1 and 1, and the rectangle, which has the same width as the smaller square and the same length as the larger square, so it's x. In order to find the area of the larger square, we multiply both sides by each other to get an area of x squared. The rectangle, 1 times x, so this has an area of x, and the smaller square, 1 times 1, this has an area of 1. Below here you can see that we have the algebra tiles that represent the polynomial we're trying to factor. We have 1x squared, 3 x's, and 2 units. So we must create a larger rectangle using these algebra tiles without any spaces in order to establish what the factors of this polynomial are. Since the definition of factors is the product of the polynomials that multiply out to get this polynomial, we can find the dimensions using what we know about of the individual algebra tiles in order to establish what the factors are of the polynomial. The length of the larger square is x. The width of the long rectangle is 1. So to find the length of our whole large rectangle would be x plus 1. Because addition is commutative, 1 plus x and x plus 1 would be the same. Here we have the length x of the big rectangle plus 2 units, 1, 2. So in order to find the factors of the polynomial x squared plus 3x plus 2, the factors would be x plus 1 and x plus 2.